Who you with? It's your man, Travis, and on the Taking Profits channel. Today, what we talking about? What am I always talking about? And you know what it is. That's that Tesla, baby. That's that Tesla, baby. I've been telling y'all for the longest, jump on that train. And I'm going to tell you like this here. Classic VWAP breakout earlier today. Basically, all you had to do is wait for the VWAP. 2 candles, 2 1-minute candles. Boom. That's your daily bread. That's your weekly bread. That's your monthly bread at this point. Tesla's up 41 points today, son. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you get that bread. Early. You know what? I actually took profits a little too early on my options and got back in and got some more. I'm getting it with both hands today. I ain't waiting. On top of that, check it out. I'll get back to Tesla in just a second, but I want to give a shout out to my nephew, Maverick. He's the one that put me on the Roblox. He's 5 years old. What happened was, I don't know, about a week and a half ago, Roblox was out. And I was talking to my cousin. My cousin was saying, man, Maverick is crying and sad because Roblox is down. I'm like, really? Like, you know, I mean, they got all these other games, all these other PlayStation, Nintendo Switches, iPads, whatever. Mavi wasn't hearing it. All he was trying to hear was that Roblox. So I'm like, oh, that's interesting because I've been seeing that ticker for a while. I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me put a little bit of money on that. Let me see what happens. And I'll be damned. It's up like 20 points since I bought it. I wish I had bought more. Don't we always? But that's okay. Anyway, let's see where Tesla's at right now. Okay. Still only up 36 right now. So what it is I think the market is starting to digest the fact that Elon is selling off all of his all of his options that he needs to sell off for his tax purposes. And they're just starting to just accept that. You know what I'm saying? So for me, it's been real simple. Long-term holdings ain't going nowhere. And on top of that, because I've been burned twice really bad selling covered calls on Tesla, no more. At least for the rest of this year, I will not sell another covered call on Tesla. I don't care. Every time I do it, I have to end up bringing some cash to buy them back. And I'm tired of it. So, you know, you can sell them at your own risk. Have at it. But for me, on the long-term holding side, those stocks, I just let them sit. No problem, man. The other stock I wanted to call out today, actually there's 2. RIVN's starting to bounce again finally. Don't know what's going to happen with them. It's hard to say. I mean, you know, they got a valuation bigger than every automaker except Toyota right now, and they haven't technically produced or sold a truck at all. But you know, a lot of this is on anticipated growth, so that's fine. You know, I got in, banged a couple trades out on them, got the hell out because you know they ain't Tesla. And then Lucid the same way. Lucid's actually a lot cheaper, but Lucid's up 14% today. So got in, banged a couple trades. Matter of fact, I still have some of the December 3rd 52 calls. You know, they're up 12% today. Yeah, nothing major. You know what I'm saying? A little change, a little something to add to my daily bread, but not for nothing. I'm gonna tell you something right now. Even with the day that I'm having, besides Tesla, I hate all of these stocks. All of them. Ain't none of them worth a damn to me. What I'm doing is I'm getting in, grabbing that profit, and getting the hell on. You know, you got to live to trade another day. Monday will be another day. The market will be open. Don't be afraid, man. Lock in some profit. You know, if these things are still moving Monday, then you jump back in and do what you do. But I'm going to tell you right now, though, buy Tesla. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, I saw a price estimate today of 3,600 from some obscure analyst. Is that reasonable? Maybe. I mean, I saw a guy, matter of fact, there was a video I was checking out of a former Tesla employee that was talking about all of the change and how they manage change in their process. And I was like, whoa. I mean, for a company that size, their ability to pivot is amazing. So, I mean, his estimate was $1 million a share. And you know, I don't know how reasonable that is. I mean, it'd be great. I ain't gonna lie. It'd be great if it happened, boy. You know, if Tesla went to $1 million a share, yeah, we're not having this conversation anymore. You know what I'm saying? You talking to my butler. You know what I'm saying? I'm on an island somewhere. At least I'd like to think so. But anyway, I think that's it on my market recap for today. Let me see. Is there anything else I want to talk about? Obviously, you know, Apple continues its move up. You know, it's the Christmas season, and if they're able to execute on their plan, I don't see any reason why they won't. Then you can see a steady climb into the end of the year. I can see them somewhere 170, 175 range. But I'm calling my shot right now. I'm calling my shot right now. Tesla, 1,300 before the end of the year. Book it. I'm calling it right now. 1,300. Your man's. Mr. Cashflow himself. Mr. Take Profit himself. I'm calling it. So there it is. You can get on board if you want to, or you can sit on the sideline and hate me as I'm steadily hitting them Tesla licks left and right. Or, you know what I'm saying? You know, if you need some more information, you know, you can hit me up on social media. I'm on all of them now. Or, you know, you can just, you know, comment. That's cool too. But I think that's it for me today. We still got another hour until the market closes. If anything substantial happens between now and then, I'll jump back on and post real quick. But until then, who you with? It's your man, Travis. You know, like and subscribe if you want to. If you don't, I'm not selling anything. You don't got to put your credit card in, nothing like that. If you like this content and you want more of it, holla at your boy. If there's something you want me to cover, holla at your boy. But, you know, ultimately what it comes down to is, you know, let's get this dialogue going. Let's get this shmoney. You feel me? And